Learn English to Hindi stay verbs. Stay to.
वे रुके रहे.
Welcome to stay. Hey, you are about to master one tiny but mighty verb family in Hindi. Today, you will learn how to say stay and all the dramatic people who stubbornly refused to leave. Our base word is stay.
रहना.
Think of a chair begging you, please do not abandon me again. Just.
रहना.
Single quote. Now the past forms arrive like a very slow parade. I stayed.
मैं रुका रहा.
You stayed.
तुम रुके रहे.
He stayed.
वो रुका रहा.
She stayed.
वो रुकी रही.
It remained.
ये रहा.
We stayed.
हम रुके रहे.
They stayed.
वे रुके रहे.
Yes, there are two you stayed items in your list, and Hindi kindly says both the same way here.
तुम रुके रहे.
Efficient and slightly smug. A very sticky story. Let us lock these words into your memory with a silly scene. Imagine a train station where everyone should leave, but somehow nobody got the memo. It started with one traveler who said, I want to stay here. In Hindi, that idea begins with
रहना.
Then the rain came, the snacks got expensive, and the announcements became mysterious poetry. So I said,
मैं रुका रहा.
I stayed. You looked at the timetable, which clearly gave up on life, and I told you.
तुम रुके रहे.
You stayed. A calm man by the tea stand did not move either.
वो रुका रहा.
He stayed. A woman with the world's most patient umbrella also remained there.
वो रुकी रही.
She stayed. By midnight, only one sad samosa on the counter was left. It remained.
ये रहा.
Then our whole little group admitted the truth.
हम रुके रहे.
We stayed, and the other passengers who had mocked us for waiting too long. Plot twist. They also stayed.
वे रुके रहे.
Nobody left. The train station won. Quick pattern drill. Now you repeat mentally, or out loud if you are feeling brave and theatrical. I say English, then Hindi. Stay.
रहना.
I stayed.
मैं रुका रहा.
You stayed.
तुम रुके रहे.
He stayed.
वो रुका रहा.
She stayed.
वो रुकी रही.
It remained.
ये रहा.
We stayed.
हम रुके रहे.
You stayed.
तुम रुके रहे.
They stayed.
वे रुके रहे.
Nice. You are now officially harder to move than a sofa on a rainy day. Mini dialogues. Here come short spoken scenes to make the phrases feel real. Also slightly ridiculous. A. Will you go? B. No, I will.
रहना.
Here. A. Why were you still at the station? B.
मैं रुका रहा.
A. Did you leave early? B. No.
तुम रुके रहे.
A. Did he go home? B. No.
वो रुका रहा.
A. Did she leave after the storm? B. No.
वो रुकी रही.
A. After all the chaos, what was left? B.
ये रहा.
A. Did your group go anywhere? B. No.
हम रुके रहे.
A. And the others? B.
वे रुके रहे.
Memory tricks. Let us make these forms stick with a few fast memory hooks. Weird helps. For stay, imagine glue on your shoes.
रहना.
For I stayed, point to yourself like a dramatic actor and freeze.
मैं रुका रहा.
For you stayed, imagine your friend stayed only for the last cookie.
तुम रुके रहे.
For he stayed, picture a hero guarding the tea stall.
वो रुका रहा.
For she stayed, picture a woman under an umbrella calmly winning against weather itself.
वो रुकी रही.
For it remained, imagine one lonely samosa under a spotlight.
ये रहा.
For we stayed, imagine your whole group turning into statues on a bench.
हम रुके रहे.
For they stayed, imagine the crowd pretending to leave but secretly hovering near snacks.
वे रुके रहे.
Quiz time. Time for a quick check. Answer before I do, and do not let the samosa beat you. How do you say stay?
रहना.
How do you say I stayed?
मैं रुका रहा.
How do you say you stayed?
तुम रुके रहे.
How do you say he stayed?
वो रुका रहा.
How do you say she stayed?
वो रुकी रही.
How do you say it remained?
ये रहा.
How do you say we stayed?
हम रुके रहे.
How do you say they stayed?
वे रुके रहे.
Your final challenge. You are almost done. Now listen to this tiny recap and see if you can understand every form. Because of the rain, I stayed.
मैं रुका रहा.
You stayed too.
तुम रुके रहे.
One man waited, so.
वो रुका रहा.
One woman did not leave, so.
वो रुकी रही.
Our group stayed.
हम रुके रहे.
And the others also stayed.
वे रुके रहे.
In the end, only one biscuit remained.
ये रहा.
If you understood that, your Hindi is definitely staying with you. Friendly goodbye. Great job today. You stayed with it, which is honestly very on theme. Thank you for listening and practicing. Keep repeating.
रहना. मैं रुका रहा. तुम रुके रहे. वो रुका रहा. वो रुकी रही. ये रहा. हम रुके रहे.
And.
वे रुके रहे.
Practice a little tomorrow, use the phrases out loud, and let the words stay in your mind.